Okay guys, here we go. We're back again and we're going to move on from the product rule, and we're moving to the power rule for logarithms. And the power rule says if I have something that says log base b of m to the nth power, that becomes n log base b of m. Okay, that's all it says. That's it. Okay, now I can combine the power rule and the product rule, but we're going to talk about that a little bit later, probably next lesson. Okay, so we're just going to worry about the power rule right now. So this one says, so we're going to just move on and we're going to rewrite it. Well, actually, before I do that, I'm going to show you an example of why I can write it that way. So sorry. So if I have, let's just say, if I have log base b of 3 to the 4th power, let's just say, what does it mean? What does the 4th power mean? It means to multiply it by itself that many times, right? So I could rewrite this as log base b of 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, correct? Is that okay? Which, according to the product rule we just got done writing and learning about, I could rewrite this as log base b of 3 plus log base b of 3 plus log base b of 3 plus log base b of 3. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is just repeated addition, correct? So how many of the same thing do I have? Well, I have 4. I have 4 log base b of 3s. And that's how I can go from here to here, my product rule. And that's why this is true, the power rule. So if I have power here, the power here just goes to the front. Notice it's here in the front of my logarithm. So that's why that works. So we're going to do a few examples just like we've been doing. So I have got a power here, right here, and it's just going to go to the front. So it's going to go from here to here, and that's all I'm going to do. So this becomes -5 log base a of 9, and that's it, done. Okay? And same here. Well, this one doesn't quite have a power yet, right? So remember, how can I write a root as a power? Remember, I can write a root as a power. Remember the rule that says if I have the nth root of a to the m, I can write that as a to the m over n. That's a rule, right? So I can rewrite this logarithm. I can rewrite this. I can say log base 7 of x to the 1 over 3. So now I have a power right here, 1/3. And I can rewrite that as equals 1/3 log base 7 of x. And by the way, this can also be written like this. I can say log base 7 of x divided by 3. Same thing. These two are equal. They're the same. Because if you think of this, this is 1 divided by 3 times log base 7 of x over 1. So 1 times this is log base 7 of x, and 3 times 1 is 3, so I end up with that. So as you can see, these two are equal. I don't care which way you write it, either way. You will see it both ways. Just know that they're the same thing. And if I have a square root, or if I have a, I erased it instead of So sorry. If I have a fraction, that means in my original equation I have a square root. So just be aware of that fact, okay? So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and stop, and you guys will go ahead and do a few more problems in writing this out, and then we'll see you for the last section in just one moment. Thank you and have a great day.